All right, guys, so we did just receive a couple packages from Rock Auto, so we're gonna go ahead and open them up. They're gonna be for the CRX and stuff, so let's get into it and cut this one open. Got some ball joints, some outer tie rods on this box. Got the water pump, Gates water pump, and this one is the inner tie rods. We got those two, and then we got the timing belt on this other one. So Gates blue timing belt on that other one. But yeah, we got the water pump, which I'm gonna put right now. These I could put later. And then let's go ahead and throw that on there real quick. So there is blue Gates timing belt, water pump from Gates. Already got the tensioner, so I just need those two for the B16. Might be a little bit overkill for this, but it's a little bit safety. Let's see, and then over here in the other box, we do have all the chassis stuff. So inner and outer tie rods. These are little ball joints, and then I think this is another inner and outer tie rod. But yeah, there it is. So here we have them all finished up, ready to go. This one's done too, pretty much. All lubed up. Now we just go ahead and mount it to these right here. So these are GBB ones for now. I think this should hold. At least the bushings are new, so we got these so we could adjust the camber. We might change the ride height a little bit, so always good to get to the cambered ones, and we'll see how long they hold too. So, but yeah, for now at least we have this. I'll figure out, just bolt it back up, call it done. So with these eBays, I had to grind this off a little bit right here because these wouldn't slide through. But now you got the play you need. So these wouldn't fit in here good, so I said I had to grind these off a little bit right there, but now they're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it back on and finish this side and do the other side tomorrow. But here we are, looking good with it. Most of the passenger side stuff is done, and then we'll move over to the driver's side here. But yeah, look at that bay, came out pretty decent. Bottom's all painted too, so it looks pretty decent. Pretty happy with it. And yeah, when we get to it. To check this out, so I went ahead and opened it up with a little Dremel a little bit. So you can see there, I opened it up. So I got the little Dremel just with like a little, one of these little bits and stuff. So, you know, just do that, open it up a little bit and go little by little, and until it slides right in like it's supposed to have, like a smooth play back and forth. So yeah, let me see if that worked out. Here we are, so see, it's all nice and a little bit better now. It slides through. A little bit ago you can't even slide it through, so at least there it is. It's ready to go. You can see we got the upper control bushing. It's gonna be new. We got the control arm bushing on, the inner bushing in, control arm in too. That's all done. the bottom one, so it's all gonna be fresh suspension. Now we just gotta do this inner and outer tie rod. I did do the other one already, but we're gonna go ahead and try to do this one now. Hopefully it's not too much of a pain like the other one, but we should be able to get it through the bottom and stuff. Let's get it. So here we have it. It's all tightened up, tighten those up, this, and it's pretty freaking solid now. That's without the front one, without the traction arm being connected. So